explain privileged communication relating to judges and magistrates under Section 127 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. Privileged communication means a special protection given by law under which a witness, although competent to give evidence, cannot be compelled to answer certain questions or disclose certain information. Such privilege is mainly based upon public policy and public interest. One important type of privileged communication under the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 is the privilege given to judges and magistrates under Section 127. According to Section 127 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, no judge or magistrate shall, except upon the special order of some court to which he is subordinate, be compelled to answer any questions as to his own conduct in court as such judge or magistrate, but he may be examined as to other matters which occurred in his presence whilst he was so acting. This section lays down the circumstances under which a judge or magistrate may be summoned as a witness and the matter regarding which questions may be asked. The matter relating to evidence of a judge or magistrate can be divided into two categories. First, personal conduct in court. This includes matters relating to the judge's or magistrate's own conduct while acting in his official capacity and matters which come to his knowledge while discharging his judicial functions. Regarding these matters, a judge or magistrate cannot be compelled to answer questions unless a superior court gives a special order. Other matters occurring in his presence, a judge or magistrate may be examined regarding other facts or events that happened in his presence while he was performing his official duties. For example, if he personally witnesses a particular event in court, he may give evidence regarding that fact. The purpose behind this provision is to preserve the independence, dignity, and impartiality of the judiciary. If judges and magistrates are frequently compelled to explain or justify their conduct before courts, it may affect their independence and proper administration of justice. If a judge possessed personal knowledge relating to a matter under trial, he should keep such knowledge confidential until he appears as a witness. If the judge is sitting alone in the case, he should not continue with the trial because he cannot fairly evaluate his own evidence. Suppose A, during his trial before the Court of Session, states that B, a magistrate, improperly recorded a deposition. In this situation, B cannot be compelled to answer questions regarding this matter unless a superior court specifically directs him to do so. In Empress of India versus Chidda Khan, the court held that the privilege under this section belongs to the witness himself, that is, the judge or magistrate. If he waives the privilege or does not object to answering the question, no other person can claim the privilege on his behalf. Thus, Section 127 protects judges and magistrates from unnecessary questioning regarding their judiciary conduct while ensuring the proper and independent administration of justice.